The Elephant and Friend, a tale of friendship. Once upon a time, in a beautiful forest, there lived a gentle elephant named Ellie. She was big, strong, and kind hearted. But Ellie was sad because she didn't have any friends. One sunny morning, Ellie decided to go out and make friends. As she walked through the forest, she first met a monkey swinging from tree to tree. Ellie smiled and said, "Hello, monkey. Will you be my friend?" "You are too big, Ellie. You can't swing in the trees like me. We can't play together." The monkey jumped away, leaving Ellie feeling sad. But Ellie didn't give up. She continued her walk and soon met a rabbit. She asked the rabbit, "Hello, rabbit. Will you be my friend?" The rabbit looked up at Ellie and said, "Oh no, you are too big. You might accidentally step on me." The rabbit quickly ran away, leaving Ellie feeling lonely again. Ellie kept walking until she met a frog near a pond. She asked, "Hello, frog, will you be my friend?" The frog croaked, "You are too big, Ellie. You can't hop like me, and I live in the water." The frog jumped into the pond, leaving Ellie disappointed. Feeling sad and tired, Ellie sat down under a tree. She wondered if she would ever find a friend. Suddenly, a voice cried out, "Help! Help!" Ellie stood up and looked around. She saw that all the animals were running in fear. A tiger was chasing them. Without thinking, Ellie ran towards the tiger and stood tall. She raised her trunk and let out a loud trumpet sound. The tiger, startled by Ellie's size and strength, the tiger ran away into the jungle. All the animals came out of their hiding spots. They cheered and thanked Ellie for saving them. The monkey, rabbit, and frog approached her. "Thank you, Ellie," said the monkey. "You are very brave." "We are sorry for not being your friend before," said the rabbit. "We were wrong to judge you by your size." The frog jumped up and said, "You are kind and strong. We all want to be your friend now." Ellie smiled, her heart full of joy. "I would love to be your friend," she said. From that day on, Ellie had many friends. They played together, helped each other, and learned that true friendship is not about how we look or what we can do, but about kindness, courage, and being there for one another. So, the moral of the story: don't judge someone by how they look. True friends come in all shapes and sizes, and real friendship is about kindness and helping each other. Dear friends, if you like this story, kindly like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.